Welcome to today's Super Sunday presentation. In today's presentation, you will learn about our credit restoration services so you can position yourself for the future, giving stability and real opportunities. What the credit bureaus don't want you to know, as well as the agent opportunities as far as getting paid to help others and receiving passive and residual income. Let's move right into the blueprint to repair, rebuild, and protect your finances with the power of credit. How many people do you know who have less than perfect credit, don't have their financial affairs in order, have debt but do not have a game plan for paying it down, dislike their current job, and are looking for a change? Guess what? We are here to strengthen your financial life, starting with your financial future, giving you the stability, and providing real opportunities. This is America's reality, the mindset, and the personal and financial affairs of today. Did you know about 43 million people have a 599 credit score or less? More than half of Americans don't even know their credit score. The average debt is over $225,000, with many having less than $500 in their savings. And nearly 2/3 of Americans pass a financial literacy test. Not only that, 49% have no retirement and only 18% know they are on track to reach their income goals for retirement. 65% have no will, 82% no trust, and 71% no medical or financial power of attorney. Every 2 seconds, a person's identity is being stolen. So why is this the case? That's because our formal education didn't teach us about our personal finances, ownership, or financial freedom, or the success. So, with United Education Services being a non-for-profit organization for over the past 10 years, has been helping American consumers like yourself get back on track to financial stability. With the services, they have successfully removed over 2 million inaccurate, erroneously obsolete information from credit profiles, improving current scenarios and future opportunities for our customers. Our services offers you the comfort of involvement. You will have access to all your documents, allowing for your review and modification at any time. So, the United Education Service is a protection plan with a flagship of services in its membership. So what is in the UCES protection plan, you might be asking? Well, great question. We have budgeting. This will help you to track your income and your spending by creating a personalized budget. We also have, which is our most popular service, which is the credit restoration. This lets you dispute the process, challenge those inaccurate, obsolete, and those unverifiable items on your credit report. We have the credit builder. Learn the basics of credit and how to maximize and maintain a great credit score with the credit builder. We also have, at no additional charge to our customers, credit attorneys. Our credit attorneys will assist you with any debt harassment and legitimate credit report issues. And we also have the credit monitoring. This is your interactive credit report, your money manager, and financial account alert system. We also have a service where you are able to pay debt payoff. You eliminate your debt faster with our web-based interactive debt payoff program. We also have the financial lockbox, where you are able to store your financial data in one central location for your loved ones in the event of something happening. Then we have the identity monitoring. Remember, every 2 seconds, someone's identity is being stolen. So you get the peace of mind knowing you're covered with the premier identity theft protection. Then we have the net worth, okay? You need to understand, what is your net worth? You can use our quick and simple calculations to discover your net worth. Then we have savings goals. Remember, you can't be in debt and trying to save, so you have to get out of debt so that you can save. So our savings goal service allows you to create multiple goals, and our system will calculate what you need to save based on how often you can. And then we have the will and trust. This is the opportunity for you to create a will and trust for your loved ones by preparing the will and trust documents from the comfort of your home, and our attorneys will mail you a hard copy. And then we have the Youth Financial Literacy, which is the Family Mint, which is an award-winning online program designed to educate youth with regard to financial responsibility. We also have the life insurance, which is for our independent FES agents that are eligible to protect their loved ones with a generous term life insurance up to $100,000. And the great thing about this life insurance is no medical exam is required. So how is your credit score calculated? One is going to be your payment history. That makes up 35%. That means on-time payments versus those delinquencies. Okay, more weight on the last 24 months is what calculates your payment history, 35% of your credit score. And then the capacity, the amount owed, that's 30%. The percentage of the credit limits available. You should only be spending less than 30%, or for excellent credit, you want to spend less than 7%. And then the length of your credit, that makes up 15% of your credit score calculation. So how long you've had your account. And then new credits, that makes up 10%. That's the number of inquiries and new accounts opened in the last 12 to 18 months. Remember, don't apply for credit unnecessarily if you don't need it. And then last and finally, you have the types of credit that are used. Installment loans versus revolving loans, mortgage versus audit loans. So the cost of bad credit. Your credit is constantly monitored and can impact everything from your interest rate to your insurance premiums. And without a strong credit score, you could be denied the ability to rent or purchase a home, or to obtain credit cards, and even be denied employment. A low credit score could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. So just in case you did not know, Bill Fair and Earl Isaac in 1956, the two friends established the Fair Isaac Corporation to develop and market their credit scoring concept. Initially located in a small apartment in San Rafael, California, Fair Isaac has grown into the New York Stock Exchange traded company with an annual revenue in excess of $600 million. Their credit scoring model is also known as the FICO score. And that number changed the world. So in the early years, Fair Isaac marketed their scoring system to the financial service companies seeking to make faster and more accurate credit decisions. So in 1989, as businesses were discovering the power of computerization, Fair Isaac introduced an automated credit scoring software package that was quickly embraced by credit card issuers. But the big catalyst for the near universal acceptance of the credit scoring came in 1995 when mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac stated that mortgage lenders incorporate FICO scores in their approval process, and the rest is history. So the question you may be asking is credit repair legal? Absolutely. The Fair Credit Reporting Act allows anyone to dispute inaccurate items on their credit reports. The Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Fair Debts Collection Practice Act were designed to protect your rights and initiated to hold creditors and those credit agencies legally responsible for all claims they make against you. So any inaccurate, incomplete, outdated, or unverifiable accounts must be removed or corrected. So let's talk about the truths they don't want you to know. Did you know that the credit agencies have no legal authority at all? That's the truth. Did you know that the credit agencies are not required by law to put anything on your credit report? That is the truth. And did you know that the Fair Credit Reporting Act gives everyone the right to review and dispute information on their credit report and have it removed if it is not 100% accurate? Also, did you know that paying off a past due debt does not change or erase the fact that at one time you were not paying it on time? And did you know that excessive inquiries are derogatory and will affect your credit standing once you get 3 or more? So United Credit Education Services leverage the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971. So that gives you the right to investigate, dispute those negative items on your credit report. With United Credit Education Services, we help you identify and challenge your inaccurate, erroneous, or obsolete items such as late payments, collections, foreclosures, bankruptcies, judgments, public records, student loans, personal information, medical bills, tax liens, repossession, and evictions. And according to myfico.com, additional reasons for inaccurate data in your credit files include a person applied for credit under a different version of their name. That could be Robert Jones versus Bob Jones. Someone made a clerical error in reading or entering your name, your address information from a handwritten application. The person gave an inaccurate social security number, or the number was misread by the lender. You have the seniors and the juniors living within the same household get an account information crossed. The loan or the credit payments were inadvertently applied to the wrong account. So with that being said, with United Credit Education Services, when you enroll, you get immediate access to your dashboard and your current credit score. You will have viable financial education services. You will know the progress of your credit repair at the top where it says progress report as long as you're in the program. You will also be able to know what accounts are being disputed, what the status is, in dispute, deleted. So I know you're probably asking, well, how much does all this cost me? Well, at the end of the day, it's $188 for a one-time enrollment. That's $99 for the activation fee and then $89 for the current month. That's $188. But my question is to you, or did you know, when you're considering the cost of a credit repair service, you should compare it to the cost of the living with poor or even average credit. Over the course of a 30-year home loan, a person with average credit may end up spending tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars more in interest payments than someone with good credit. And the extra payments are even more dramatic if you have poor credit, providing you can even get approved for a mortgage loan in the first place. You may be able to save on your mortgage or your auto loan by improving your credit score today. The benefits of having a good credit score are not limited to helping you get into a home. Almost any lender who offers credit will take your credit score into account. This means that a better credit score may help you get approved for a car loan, credit card, home equity loan, debt consolidation loan, or other personal loans at a lower interest rate. And the other great thing about our membership is we donate $2 for every protection plan membership. So we go into the schools. This is a voluntary service where we educate our young adults between the ages of 8 to 18 on the matters of personal finance. And we are proud to say that in 2018, we were able to give $250,000 in college tuition. We're looking to increase that number by $100,000 in 2019, being able to give college or high school students college scholarships totaling $350K. Additional valuable service that is offered by FES is Credit My Rent. If you're a renter, your largest monthly expense is probably going to be your rent payment. Homeowners build their credit score by paying their mortgages, so it's time that you build your credit score by paying your rent. Then we also have the Secure Credit Card. This is the First Progress Platinum MasterCard with a credit line based on a security deposit rather than on a credit score. And this information is updated to all 3 credit bureaus. So, with that being said, now you're ready to enroll into the credit restoration, or what we call the Protection Pay Plan membership. Now, maybe you're thinking, yeah, I can use this service, and knowing that 8 out of the 10 Americans need this service, well, we have a business opportunity, and I'm going to share a little bit about that with you. Because remember, credit is a luxury, not a necessity. And if you know you're self-motivated, coachable, trainable, and able to commit to a proven system that is known to work from home using your cell phone or your laptop, I'm going to show you how this business opportunity can help you, yourself, and others change their lives. So a little bit about Financial Education Service. It's founded in 2004. It's an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and it's the only credit repair agency out there that has an A+ rating. We are a debt-free company with over 100% in annual sales growth. And our key executives, we still have the same key executives since the inception of the company. So my question to you is, what is wealth? If you had to stop work tomorrow or lost your job, how long could you survive? Well, Robert Kiyosaki says the number of days you can survive without physically working and still maintain your standard of living. So let's put that into mathematical terminology. So that means your expenses is $4,000 per month. Your savings is $12,000. Well, we already know from statistics, they said that most Americans have over $225,000 worth in accumulation debt with less than $500 in their savings. So he's being kind of frivolous here. So he's saying you have $12,000 in your savings. Your wealth is only going to last for 3 months or 90 days. So the goal is that you have residual income or passive income that is greater than your monthly expenses. So according to the Gallup poll, 70% of people will prefer to be their own boss, but they don't know where to start or have the money. Well, over 100 million people have jobs, but more than 70 million will rather not have a job. So how do I start is the question you may be asking. Well, welcome to the hybrid of marketing, where entrepreneurship meets corporate America. Financial Education Service, with its recession-proof products and service, is here for you, your family, your future, and your legacy. So, getting right into it. FES agents, what do you get? You get your own personalized website. You get online sales tracking system, an agent and customer support. You get access to professional marketing materials. You get weekly pay. We get direct deposit every Thursday for all qualified agents. You're going to get commission. You're going to get residual. You're going to get bonuses, and you're going to get more. And the great thing is, being a home-based business, it gives you plenty of write-offs for the cost to operate your home. So that means your utilities, your mortgage, your property taxes, your cell phone, your vehicle, your car insurance, all that is a tax write-off to you. So you will be in a position to help others, and it only costs you less than $300 to get started in your own business today. And then it's $89 per month, but we'll show you how you can get that way. So real quick, how does it work? How do you get paid? Well, glad you asked that question, because for each protection plan sale, you can earn $100. That's right, $100. So for every person that you enroll, okay, so you're going to strive for 5 every month, but you can get more than 5. And I'll tell you why you want to strive for more than 5. But for right now, let's say you enroll One client, guess what? You get $100. Two clients, you get $200. Three clients, you get $300. Four clients, you get $400. And five clients, you get $500. Okay? And guess what? There's no limit. So if you want to enroll 10 people, that's $1,000 of commission coming directly straight to you. And the beauty of it is it's not even taxed. Plus, in addition to that, when you maintain your 5 active protection paid memberships monthly, your services of $89 become free to you. So, not only do you get the direct commission, but you also get to earn additional residual income per protection plan membership. $12. Okay? So when an agent enrolls 2 protection paid plan customers, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $550 based on your title in the company. So coming in as an agent, you start off at $100. As you move up in volume, you go from field trainer, which is $160, to senior field trainer, which is $240. And that's for every enrolled new agent. And once that enrolled agent gets to, whether it be a customer or agent, then you get to move up based on the gross volume. The other great thing that I like about financial education services is that we have monthly infinity bonuses. So remember, I said you move up based on ranking based off of your gross volume. So when you get to sales director, that means you have a gross value of $10,000. So that means you will earn a 0.5% earning of a monthly infinity bonus of $50. And the harder you work, the more you get in gross volume, then your monthly residual income goes up. Now, the beauty of this company is that they do pay for those teams who work hard. So you're building towards rest, relaxation, and retirement, which is over $3.4 million annually. The company, okay, this is what the company pays out. They level 1, you get up to $600 monthly for a car payment. That means the company will pay for you a car payment. You get the choice between an Audi, a Mercedes, and a Cadillac. A level 2, they're going to give you a $10,000 cash bonus. Plus, they're going to increase your car allowance to $1,500. Level 4, they're going to give you $25,000 in cash bonus. And a level 5, not only are you going to get upgraded as far as in your vehicle, but you're also going to walk away with $50,000 cash bonus. And then level 6, house payment. Okay, you're going to pay for me to live in a house, $5,000 a month. I'll take that. And what about level 7 and 10? Okay, this is just a monthly retirement bonus right here. You're going to get up to $25,000. You're going to get the monthly lifetime bonuses from $150,000 to $250,000. And you say, is this possible? Yes, it is possible. I know several people who are at these levels. And the only thing you're doing is exposing people to FPS. Who do you know that has less than perfect credit, does not have a will, trust, or power of attorney, who has debt and will benefit from a system to pay it off, works in a credit-related industry such as real estate, mortgage, auto, or banking, who is looking for part-time or full-time income, who is frustrated with their current career and needs a change, or who wants to be financially free. So, I don't know what your level of interest is. Maybe it's I already have excellent credit and my financial affairs are in order and I love my current job, but you can provide referrals, right? Or maybe your interest is I'm excited and I want to join the credit repair service for the $188. Okay, so you want to become a customer. Great, let's get you enrolled. Maybe your interest is, I want the credit repair services and I also want the business opportunity. Perfect. You are ready to become an agent as well as a customer. That's $288 to get you started. So I just want to say congratulations and welcome to the power of the credit movement. Be sure to get back with the person that invited you and ask them to send you the link so you can get started today. Congratulations.